sit or lie back. Make sure you're in a place where you can deeply relax and fully immerse yourself in the Reiki experience without being disturbed. Gently close your eyes, and already feel your body start to relax. Know that as we go deeper and deeper into the Reiki session, everything will slow down. Your thoughts will slow, your breathing and your heart rate will gently and safely slow down, allowing you to deeply, deeply relax, and for your mind, body and soul to heal, to rebalance, and for your energy to be flowing. Know that with every breath you take, Reiki flows to and through you, and with every breath that you exhale, any trapped energy, unwanted, stale, negative energy just naturally flows out through the soles of your feet. You don't need to do anything. Just be here in this moment, right now. So I invite you to imagine you're in a beautiful woodland. It's a dry, sunny day. The birds are singing, and the leaves in the trees above are gently rustling in the gentle breeze. It feels peaceful and warm. It feels safe, as though you're cocooned in nature. And as you walk into the forest, the woodland, it's as if you can leave all your cares and worries, any tension in your body, you can leave at the entrance. You can feel the weight of that lifting off your shoulders, and your shoulders and back relax. Any tension in your face and head just seems to dissolve as you tread softly further into and amongst the trees. There are twigs and leaves scattered on the floor of the woodland, creating a soft bed for you to walk on. And up ahead, you notice a really large beech tree with a massive trunk, and you feel drawn towards this tree. And as you approach, you notice a face in the bark, face of a wizened individual, Mother Nature herself. Feels good to see her there. And as you move closer to the tree, she steps forward out of the bark and takes physical form. And you notice her arms are outstretched, ready to welcome you into them. You move forward into her arms, and she holds you in a gentle, loving embrace. You feel at one with her nature, the trees around you, the birds, all the unseen animals who live in the woodland, all the tiny flowers, plants, grasses, insects, all of that. It feels so much part of you. And as you sink into her embrace, any remaining tension in your mind or body simply dissolves away. It is no more. Perhaps you feel it coming down through the soles of your feet, down into the earth beneath you to be recycled. You know it's safe to let any of that go now. Release any resistance to letting go of tension in your mind or body. Relax deeper into this loving embrace. As you do so, Mother Nature invites you to lower yourself down onto the forest floor and sit beside her quietly, soaking up the sights and sounds of the woodland, relaxing deeper and deeper. And as you sit in companionable silence, all thoughts are focused in on the forest and your connection with nature, feeling one with nature once again, reconnecting. And it feels deeply comforting, familiar, and so peaceful. Your very being is in harmony with nature and everything around you. As this sensation deepens and fills your very being, Mother Nature invites you to lie back on the forest floor and look up to the sky through the canopy of the trees. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Feel the gentle breeze. Feeling deeply relaxed and at peace. All the while knowing that Reiki flows to and through you. You sink deeper and deeper into relaxation. Everything feels soft and flowing. Feel as though you're in a bubble of love, harmony and contentment. Something you feel deep within your soul. And in this moment, nothing else matters. It's safe to deeply relax and let go. Just be in the moment. thoughts continue to flow in, and you simply acknowledge them and watch them float on by, as if you're detached from them somehow, just observing them with curiosity and nothing more. The space between thoughts starts to increase just a tiny bit with every breath you take. Feeling relaxed, feeling at peace, content to just drift wherever your energy wants to take you. Comfortable with being silent for a few moments. You become aware of Mother Nature kneeling behind you, and she gently lifts your head and places it in her lap. She lays her warm hands cradling your head. You feel the warmth of her hands as if it's penetrating through your head, down into your whole body, down into your soul, soothing, releasing negative thoughts, unsupportive thoughts, any doubts, fears, tensions or worries. It's as if with her touch they simply dissolve and disappear. It's such a deeply reassuring feeling. And with it comes a huge wave of unconditional love just for you. Coursing through your whole body, your very being. Deeply healing, feeling so safe, relaxed and at peace, completely at one with everything, with nature. Feel yourself sink deeper down into relaxation. The fizzy energy in your head dissolving now. Let it go as you sink deeper into relaxation, feeling the warmth of Mother Nature's hands as they lay gently cradling your head. You feel Mother Nature gently lay your head back down on the forest floor, but somehow you can still feel the warmth and love of her hands. She leans forward and plants a gentle kiss on your forehead. And in this moment, your third eye chakra, your source of inner wisdom and intuition, is activated and fired up. Firing up a deep trust in yourself. In this moment, you know you have all the answers to all your questions. You need only to ask. And with that comes confidence and strength and inner knowing. Helping to dissolve doubts, fears and worries. You feel Mother Nature gently move her hands from your shoulders down your arms, taking each of your hands in one of hers. All the tension from your body releasing with her gentle touch. You relax a little bit more and a little bit more. And the feel of her warm hands on yours feels somehow empowering, as though she's placing the wisdom, beauty and power of nature in your hands for you to create whatever it is you're here to do. In this moment, everything and anything feels possible. You feel so deeply sure, so deeply serene, so deeply confident. Mother Nature gently releases her hold of your hands, placing one of your hands atop the other in a restful pose. You feel one of her hands on each of your hips, and she smooths her hands down your legs, knees, down your ankles, and stops and holds each of your feet. Any residual tension in your legs, ankles and feet dissolves away with her touch. She kneels in front of your feet, gently holding each one. You feel the warmth course through your body, up through your feet, into your legs, your hips, back and torso, down your arms, into your neck, face and head. And then it's as if her energy fizzes out through the crown of your head, and you feel consumed with her loving energy and the wisdom of the universe. So deeply relaxed now, feeling in flow, feeling the harmony of the universe and your part in that. Feeling very grounded, feeling energized, deeply at peace. Your whole body feels the warmth of Mother Nature's embrace. Deeply restorative, deeply restful. Mother Nature gently releases her hold of your feet and comes back behind you to help you to sit up once again. And you feel the support of her behind you, still feeling deeply relaxed, at peace. And she whispers in your ear that you have the wisdom of the universe at your fingertips. Anytime you have a question, you need merely to ask and then trust it will be answered. Be open to opportunities Fill your heart with love and belief, and know that anything and everything is possible. With these words comes a deeper sense of confidence, of surety, and of serenity. In this moment, they feel like the truest words that have ever been said, and you take them to your inner being and into your heart. They become part of you. And as you take your next breath, you know that you have the wisdom of the universe available to you, and it feels amazing. Feeling completely at one with everything and everyone within nature. Mother Nature says it's time for her to leave, but you can come back and talk to her whenever you need to. She lays a gentle kiss once again on your forehead, and you watch her walk away back to the tree from where she came. And as she gets close, she walks as if into the tree, into the trunk, and becomes one with the tree once again. You stand, look up to the sky through the canopy of the trees, still feeling deeply rested and at peace, feeling lighter, feeling grounded. You walk to the edge of the woodland, and just before you step out, glance back and really implant that feeling of connection and of love and of surety into your very being. And let this be the way that you view the world and everything and everyone in it from now on, with peace, with love, with surety. And as you step out of the woodland, you start to notice your physical body, wherever you happen to be sitting or lying. You can have a stretch. Wiggle your hands and feet, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes and come back into the room. If you enjoyed this Reiki session, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, leave me a little heart or a comment, and share in case there's someone who you think could benefit from this. I wish you lots of love and happiness.